Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to highlight column differences using three different methods. Whichever method you are comfortable, pick that one. Let's jump in to see how this is done. I have got the name list from a sheet 1 and sheet 2 and I have put it in a separate sheet which I want to compare it. When you want to do any sorts of a basic comparison, what you can do is just put a equal to sign, select the cell, equal to the next cell. When you hit enter, you will get to know is it the same or different. You have gotten true. When I send it down, you can see we have got true and we have got false. Why in certain places true and certain places false? Say for example, here we have got a Flipkart, within bracket I have given Walmart. W is in caps letter, but whereas here W is in a small case. On the other hand, when you look at 197 communications, here after 197 only there is a space, but whereas here you can see 1 space 97 communication. That's the reason it is given a false. And when you evaluate each and every one of the name, you can see that. Now I want a case sensitive match. So for that, using a function called as a exact function, choose your text 1, comma, and choose your text 2. Close and hit enter, you will have, which says that there is some problem in the name. Obviously we can see here it's a uppercase and here it's a lowercase. It's exactly a case sensitive match. So you can see for majority of the cases we have gotten a false match. Again, because Amazon is a uppercase and here it's a small case. But whereas when we have just used the cell references, it has fetched us a result as true. This is the difference between using a basic calculation and using an exact match. By any chance, if you're feeling you do not want an exact match you are comfortable with, then what you can do is just go click on here, press function F2. This is for edit. Select by pressing Ctrl C. Don't forget to press escape key. Once this is done, press equal to and give not. This function will help us to understand whenever you specify any condition, it will work in an opposite way. We have given the logical function here, close and hit enter. Now you can see we have gotten true. Send it down to see what happens here. I have got one important area. Just look at this one. When we have used the basic calculation equal to Bain and Company, Bain and Co, we have gotten false. Again with exact also we have gotten false. But when we have used not exact case, we have gotten true. Because don't get an exact match. That is what we have told them. And when you look at KPMG India here, it's true as well as it's true also here. If at all you want to find out, just let me know which are all the names that is not matching. So what I can do is just select this entire table. From home, navigate through conditional formatting and click on new rule dialog box. I'm using a shortcut key Alt H L and N, which gets me the new formatting rule dialog box. Choose the last one, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Choose this cell and very much you can notice the cell is into absolute reference. Press function F4 key to turn it into a column reference. Use a not equal to symbol. Then choose this one. Again turn it into a column reference by pressing F4 key. Go to format. Pick whichever color you are interested in. Click OK and then click OK. Now you can see these are the three companies wherein we have gotten certain deficiency in finding the match. Here there is a space and here Bain and Company here and Bain and Co. Here we have gotten Zoom video communications and here it's basic Zoom. Again I'm re-stressing, it's all about the context. I'm sure this video was informative. Just give out a try. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. Good day.